Hello everyone, this is Kirankumar. I am from Haveri. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I got 74% in my engineering, 64% in my PUC, and 72% in my 10th. After completion of engineering, I got selected as an incubation student to JSPIDER in the month of June 2023. In JSPIDER, I have learned Java, SQL, and aptitude, and in the web technology, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and mainly React.js. After that, projects on React.js, they provided so many interview opportunity for me. So in that, I got selected one company called Innovation. It is one of the startup company. Now I'm working as an .NET as well as a React.js developer. I would like to thank you, Rahul sir, Siddesh sir, Shashank sir, Preetham sir, especially Preetham sir for providing all the interview opportunities, and Danesh sir for taking React.js hands-on project class. Thank you so much.